Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the typical budget. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, if you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back and thanks for joining me in another video. So I wanted to go over two things. The first part would be my budget by paycheck results for the first paycheck for July, and the second one would be the actual budget for the second paycheck that I just received on Friday. So let's get started. So the first paycheck, the income was $1,793.32. My rent was the same, so $362. For the Discover, it was the same as budgeted, $52. Walmart, that amount was the same, so $191. For AT&T, that amount was the same, $211.35. Hopefully that next month it would be that low or a little lower. For electric, I did pay $80. For sinking funds, it's actually $410. So when it comes to the sinking funds, I did add just a little bit more cash to the savings account. For the cash envelopes, that amount is $413.12. I actually overspent in 3 areas. So those 3 areas was fast food, grocery, and personal. For fast food, my budget was $50. I actually spent $59.29, causing me to go over by $9.29. For groceries, my budget was $125. I actually spent $190.33, causing me to go over by $65.33. For personal, the budgeted amount was $24.99 after I added the $20 from this paycheck, and I spent $88.50, causing me to go over by $63.51. Hopefully the next paycheck would be a little different. I didn't have any miscellaneous funds, so the total expenses are $1,719.47, giving me a remaining balance of $73.85, which instead of saving that amount, I did roll that amount over to the next paycheck. So let's go ahead and look at the next paycheck. So when it comes to the next paycheck, which is from July the 15th until July the 29th, the income is $1,501.17. And that does include a rollover amount of, well, not necessarily a rollover amount, but it is money from rollover and other locations. So that amount is $175, and my pay was $1,326.17. For the rent, I'm budgeting for $363. Now, I would have broken that payment down into 3, but I didn't. For State Farm, if you follow me on Instagram, which I will link below, if you follow me on Instagram, you did see me make a post about the Good Neighbor Relief Program. I was able to get my credit finally, and my bill for this month is $104.70. So I went ahead and decided to pay it. For the next month bills, which these next 3 bills, they aren't due just yet, but I went ahead and decided to pay something on it anyway. So for quick credit, I did decide to go ahead and pay $100. Now, if you viewed any of the previous videos, you would know that I used my Care credit card to take care of my vision bill that I did receive for $292 and some change. But I did go ahead and pay $100 towards that. The next bill, which is $29.19, I went ahead and paid that towards Capital One, and that's for my FICO. And the $50 amount, I put that towards Walmart. With Walmart, my credit card limit is only, I think it's maybe $600. So I went and paid $50 because my balance was about $199. And I didn't want a real high utilization with Walmart, so I went ahead and paid $50 towards that bill. And that's only because I bought some things for someone else, so I'm just waiting on them to give me the money back. For emergency only, of course, that amount is $210, and that's automatically deposited. For sinking funds, those would include things such as health, car maintenance, gifts, things like that. So for sinking funds, I did budget for $130. For cash envelopes, I did budget for $270. And the BSOCS, I think I wrote that down backwards, but the Black Shop Owner Collaboration Sale was this weekend. So from the 17th through the 19th, I did buy some things, but I purchased just a little bit too much most likely. So I'm just going to write the total amount that I purchased. So I spent $123. Yes, I know that's a lot of money for stickers and whatever else I bought. I purchased from several different shops, and I will put that list of shops and how much I spent for each one above or to the side. Now, when you add everything up, so if you were to add everything up, the total would be $1,379.89, which I will just write it right here. $89. And if you subtract that amount from the budget amount, or total income amount rather, I should have $121.28 left. Now I'm just going to most likely move that amount to savings account before I start spending money a lot. I have money in cash that I would use some for my cash envelopes, and then I'll just get the rest from the bank. Now, if we go to my cash envelopes, they are all listed here. So rideshare will get $10, which is automatically deposited. Fund money would be $10. Fast food would get $50. And I'm going to keep that $50 on or in my bank account instead of having cash for it. For the grocery store, $160. Gas, $20. I do believe it is time for me to possibly fill up again. I have less than a 1/4 tank of gas at the moment. For personal, that amount is automatic, so everything equals up to $270. And of course, when it comes to the sinking funds, you have gifts for $20, card maintenance $40, health for $50, vacation, I forgot to add the line for the T, vacation for $20 with the total amount so far. Of course, emergency would always get $210 automatically. And that's it so far for the budget. I do hope that you all liked everything. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know if you purchased anything from the Black Shop Owner collaboration sale. Also, let me know what you purchased. I can't wait to get everything in the mail. That way I can do a sticker haul video. I finally got my stickers from Shea Budgets, so hopefully these would help me a lot when it comes to getting everything written down. As of right now, I'm just deciding on how I want to use them. I probably won't make any videos about this until next month, or the next paycheck rather. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Hopefully the lighting is better. I was able to get a, let me zoom out. I was able to get a flexible 24-inch ring light from Walmart, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you've seen my Instagram post or not, but as of right now, it's doing the job very well. It was only $18. So if you need more lighting, I would definitely check out, or definitely get one of these lights. They're not much at all, pretty easy to set up, and I will insert pictures below of the actual light. So have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching.